gates are now open.
Once seated, secure news articles in the zippered mount behind your legs and fasten your seatbelt. Please do not attempt to pull down on the lap bar at this time.
Alright, go ahead and pull down your lap bar.
Please pull down on your lap bar
Thank you.
and secure it firmly to your legs. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train at all times.
Alright. We're back. On the front row of Iron Gwazi. Wow!
Oh, that's okay if it still goes forward. I just don't want you to go side to side.
Okay, this ride definitely warmed up. I need to ride the back now.
Oh, yeah.
The back was crazy on this ride.